Hey guys, welcome back to our video demonstration. And in this video, I wanna introduce how our application works. Well, first of all, if you wanna edit the household information, you can just click the household tab and by click new, you can create a new record. And you need to fill in all this information and click save. And also you can click this drop down triangle to edit or delete. And also you can click import to import some local data to our application. And what's more, you can double click the cell to edit it. And same functions for the constituent, create new, import, and edit, delete. But I wanna mention one thing, which is create a validation rule for the birth date, which is you cannot choose the future date for your birth date because no one could be born in the future, right? And the same function for the organization, new, import, edit, and delete. And for the affiliation, and also same function, create new, import, edit, delete. But users must select the corresponding constituent ID and household ID from the drop-down list to establish the connection. And in addition, users can assign multiple rows by click this triangle to add rows and this triangle to delete it. And the same functions for the address, just create and edit and delete. And for the generate reports, you can just create new reports and select other reports and click the whatever reports you wanna generate and click continue. And you can select the information you would like to see under columns and just click the refresh and all the columns will be added to the report. And also you can use the groups section, which is very useful depending on what reports you want. And for example, we can just select the constituent ID and just click refresh. And we can see like each constituent followed by their household and address information. And we can click save and run to edit the provide field if needed, and click save to view your result and just tap the field name and click save, and it was saved. And that's what our application, how our application works. Thank you for watching.